Hi guys, I'm Bowen here. I'm here to explain my eighth experiment of Unix Lab, and here I have um, here the today's experiment is about creating process, and here I'm going to create a process in a C++ program in a C program, in which the first one is about to create a process that supposed to display that should have different functions. And my first process is to calculate the hours, minutes, and seconds. And here I have my program. It's This is my first program. Here I have created a parent process, which again creates a child process, and then here I get my inputs using printf and scanf, as that's how you get in a C. And here I have got these. Here I get the input from the user, the seconds, and get the seconds from the users, and then display the how many hours and minutes and seconds are there in those seconds. And then the process goes to sleep here. Now let's see how this thing runs out. Here we use cc space h a dot c, and then we use a dot out, and the seconds are let me enter like 7,000 seconds, and it has 1 hour 56 minutes and 0 seconds in it. So that's my first question. And the second question is to write a C or C++ program to create the following process hierarchy and perform the following. And here I'm supposed to get an string and input it in a character array, and then the process B should reverse the string and displays it, and C, the third process, should check whether the string is a palindrome or not, and then print the process ID and parent process in each process of each process. And here I have created a program, AB. Here I get the string from the import using scanfs and percentages, and you know how things are. And here I calculate the length, and the length is been reversed using uh, has been reversed here. Checks whether the string is and it creates a parent. It creates a child process, and then it creates a parent ID, and then it checks whether the string is a palindrome. Checks whether, and it makes the string reverse using this for loop here. And then here it again creates another process, the child process, and it also has a parent ID. And here I have used another for loop to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not, and then the process goes to sleep. If none of this was true, then the process goes to sleep. So let me see how this um, goes up. CC valid, then use the output command. I'm going to enter the string is RAM. The string is string length is 5, and the child process is this, parent process ID is this, and rules is the same thing. And just because they are both the same, when you reverse it, they are parent one. And then it's now we are going to see what the third question is. The third question is to create a following process hierarchy to perform the following, where the process I need to give an input. The user should give an integer as an input, and to check whether and then the process B should find the factorial of the number, and process C should check whether it's Armstrong or not, and D prints the Fibonacci series until that, and E should check the number for prime, and F should reverse the number, and all the process IDs and all the parent process IDs and child process IDs should be printed. So here I have created a program here. Yeah, this is a program where I have, yeah, here I have gotten input from the user, the integer, and then the process B will be created here, and then the parent ID will be printed, and child ID will be printed, and the factorial of that number will be found here, and that will be checked. Then the factorial will be checked and printed, and the Fibonacci series or the given input will be printed, and then if none of this could be printed, or if it was a minus, then this process will go to sleep. Then here the process C creates the process C is created, and it checks whether the given integer is an Armstrong number or not. And then it also has a parent ID and child ID. It also prints the parent ID or child ID, and here it checks whether the given number is prime number or not, the process E, and it also prints the parent ID and process ID, and then the process F is created here, and it displays the reverse of the given number. And let's see how now the file is supposed to run it using reload out, and I have entered integer, which is um, 12, and here the enters an integer process A is created and process B is created, and then the process B is created. The process A is the parent process, and process B is the factorial 12 is this, and D is created, and the Fibonacci series is this. And process C is created, and Armstrong is not 12 is not an Armstrong number, and process E is created. D is not a prime number, and 12 is not a prime number, and the reverse has been printed here as 21. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.